Alrighty, finally got myself something down in here. Little wheat penny. Let's see, it was right down in here. It's just underneath the leaves and clutter and stuff, and rang up real nice. Let's see what else we got on here. Make out a date. Definitely a weedy. There's the one center. See if we can get a date out of there. I have to wait till I get her cleaned up here. Alrighty. Come on. 1911 it looks like. Huh. Got a little juice on there. Let's see what she says. Come on. Let's give up your secret here. I want to say that's a 19. Let's say it's a 1911. Well, I'm not real sure. Huh. Alrighty. Well, let me get her cleaned up, and we'll get a snap up there for you. See if I can't eke me out a silver out of here yet. Alrighty, got another nice little signal down in here, and kind of looking like a ring. Stuck my scoop in there, pushed up, and look, it popped out. See what we got going on here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a junker. Nothing with a stone that big is gonna fall in my lap. Yeah, that's gonna be a junker there. Yeah, got big stones on her. This would be probably a cocktail ring. It's got no bling on it. Holy smokes. Wow. Alrighty. Let's see what else we can get up out of here. I'll check this over real good, make sure. Yeah, alrighty. Looks like I got me a looks like a work tag or something. Merchants 8 MS Malloy. What the heck is that? A fob of some kind? Merchants 8 MS Malloy. Huh. I was expecting a work tag or something like that. Merchants tag? MS Malloy. I'm going to have to do some research on that, and then let me see if I can't figure out what the heck that is. Definitely a Merchants. MS Malloy, number 8. I wonder if that's a hotel. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alrighty. See what else we can get down in here. It wasn't real deep. It was just tangled up down in the roots down in here. And there's a gnarly one getting out. We'll definitely take that. Let's see what else we can get out of here. Alrighty, I think I finally got the silver down in here, and it was ringing pretty high up there in that 89, 90. And I think I just got me a silver quarter maybe. 1945. Gnarly. Alrighty. That's what we're talking about. Nice. Very nice. 1945 quarter. Been a while since I got a silver Washington. Alrighty, we'll take that. Alright, getting a nice 80-81 down in here, and I've been getting a lot of these bottle caps that have been coming up right in that range too. I mean, they've been fooling me all day long here, and let me see if I can get those little buggers out here. You know, those ones right there. So I wasn't too skeptical, or a little bit skeptical on this one here, but check this out. Got my second ring of the day. Alrighty, I don't think it's precious. You know, sure looks good. Now let's see what we got. Yeah, a little bit of weight to it. I think it's going to be a junker, more than likely. I've only found a couple of silver ones here this summer. Well, take a look down in there and I see the big fat one for sure. Huh. I'm not seeing anything, but then again, keep dropping it and moving all over the place. Not seeing anything in there, but we'll get the loop out and I'll check that out real quick just to make sure. And if it is, we'll let you know. Ring number 2 for the day. Alrighty. Let's see if we can't find some more in here. Already still just working my way down through this thick stuff. Oh, what the heck, that was a loud noise over here. Just in case I'm about to get speared by a moose or something. But anyways, getting a 77, 78 down in here. Oh gosh, I'd say 2, 3, 4 inches right around in there, and can just barely see the tires sticking out there. I think I just got me a Tootsie toy. What do we got? Oh, look there. Oh yeah, that's Tootsie. Fire engine. Oh, gnarlied up. Yeah. Well, still got all the tires and everything on it. Let's see if we can see Tootsie down in there anywhere. Yeah, right up here at the front. Yeah. Chicago, Illinois. Alright. Huh. Would have been nice to still have the ladder on that one. Well, we'll take her anyways. Let's go find us some more targets out here. Alrighty, got myself a thought it was in that 80 range down in here, and I just picked out another shop penny here. You have to excuse me, I got something going on behind me here and it's making me nervous. I'm thinking that might be a weedy, but we'll check that out just to make sure. Kind of throwing me off here. Could be an Indian. Nice. Oh, right there. I think I just... Yeah, it's a weedy. You can see the... wheat seeds right along in here. Gnarly. Alrighty, let's go find some more stuff out of here. Okay, I was getting a, excuse me, it was kind of jumping in that 55 up to 68. It was giving a real funky signal down in there, and got this little door. Must be a lock type device, the old time door locks in there. Skeleton key right there. Pretty heavy. Yeah, got some weight to it, definitely. This side's a little worse for wear. That's some of the stuff I'm getting out of this area in here. It's got to have a name or something right in here. Manufacturer. Might be on the back side of this also, but neat little piece. So I thought you folks might want to see that. It's got the old-timey skeleton key. That's a neat piece.